The best work happens in a shared space. We operate at our peak when we aren't isolated experts, but colleagues solving problems side by side around a common table. But watch what happens when an analyst needs 18 months of order history to test a new idea. She has to leave that table, open an internet form, submit a data access request, and wait for an invisible bureaucracy to process it. This timeline charts her available options. The official queue on top requires a median wait time of 14 days. The unsanctioned workaround at the bottom, exporting whatever she can reach and pasting it into a personal AI account, takes exactly 14 seconds. She takes the 14-second path. She does this because she has a steering committee update on Thursday, and deadlines do not accommodate a 2-week latency. This is an arithmetic result, not a values failure. By building a slow access process to protect that 18 months of order history, the organization pushed the data entirely outside its perimeter. It now sits in a consumer account the company does not own, cannot audit, and can never delete. To fix this exposure, we have to change the mental model of data governance. We move from a committee managing a queue, where every request requires individual deliberation, to a product offering a menu, where most of what people need is already decided and instantly available. In this cluster, while request volume is high, the actual variety of requests is quite low. If you pull 40 random tickets, you won't find 40 distinct problems. You find them organizing into just 5 or 6 repeating patterns. We take those patterns and pre-decide them. A rule is a decision with the waiting time removed, made in advance and in public. By deciding those 5 patterns once, next quarter's 100 requests instantly become 0. Uniformity is the enemy of speed. You cannot treat a request to summarize a cafeteria menu with the same heavy ceremony as a request to process sensitive customer records. The system must tier requests by their actual risk. This routing system has 3 lanes. Self-serve instantly handles matching pre-decided rules. Fast review guarantees a 2-day turnaround for minor novelties. The final lane, full review, operates on a 10-day clock for high-risk uses needing legal and security expertise. But a fast lane only works if people have a vehicle. If an internal policy requires customer data to be redacted before it hits an AI model, the organization must supply a redaction tool directly on the user's dashboard. An unsupported requirement is a wish dressed as a control. When compliance is structurally faster than circumvention, people naturally choose a safe path. The shadow AI problem resolves without needing to block a single domain. The real power of this catalog is a mechanism called the precedent ratchet. It ensures the governance system gets faster as it scales, rather than bogging down under rising volume. When an edge case requires full review, the committee delivers its approval alongside a new generalized standing rule. The committee never answers the same question twice. The new template attaches to the self-serve lane, widening the fast path to automatically absorb future requests. The result is a severe drop in shadow AI usage. Employees stop risking organizational data in personal accounts because the officially sanctioned route is finally a superior service. This system creates an environment where what one person figures out, everyone else gets to keep. When someone navigates a complex data problem, they leave behind a clear, permanent path for the next person who sits down. True data governance acts less like a toll booth keeping people from their work, and more like an open invitation to a shared table.